Hello my dear students, how are you all? I wish all are doing well to be at your home. So my dear students, after a long period I am here with the video of English 2nd, Mulberry, chapter 3. Chapter name is Suvira. So question answers are over, only exercises are remaining. These are from page number 48 to 51. So I am here with the exercise. Look at page number 48. Words wall is written and you will see what we have to do in this. You just read a story in which a girl sprinted down a track in her old spiked shoes and went on to win the race. Given below is a table of sports mentioning where each is played and the equipment used. Complete the following table. So what we have to do, we have to complete this table. Somewhere for the sports blank is there, somewhere for the equipments, and somewhere for the places. Sports, it means the name of the sports. Equipments, what the equipments we are using, just like bat, in badminton rackets are required, and place, it means to say area where they play. So first one is cricket. So equipments in cricket: ball, bat, wickets, okay, and places field. It is played in field. Then another one is club. Club has been used, and golf course. So it means this the name of the that is sport is golf. Then shuttlecock and racket, where we use in badminton. So badminton, and the area where it is played, that is badminton court. Roller skating. So skates roller we need. Here it is written, you can see, and skating ring, because ring is there in which usually we play, not usually, it plays in ring. Boxing. Then here gloves, and the last is ring. Okay, so and next one is tennis. The tennis, what we need, equipments, tennis ball and rackets, then tennis court. Okay, this was all about that table, you can see. Move to the next page. Here grammar time, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense, it means work will have been finished before something else. So read these sentences. My father's life had suddenly taken a sharp U-turn. You cut back on pace and your opponent too takes the pressure off herself. I would take them there this time. In the above sentence, the form of the verb changes to show the tenses. Okay, so in future perfect what we use? Will, shall. You know that with first person we use I and we. First person is I and we, and with them what we use? Shall. And you, this is second person. He, she, these are the third person. With them we use will. And in perfect tense we will use have with them. Okay. So now what we have to do, we have to complete this table. Everybody knows about the tenses very well. So here some examples are given on behalf of that. We have to do this. Present continuous. So here positive and interrogative blank is remaining and negative is given. So we can understand what we have to do. The students are not cheering for Suvira. This is negative. What will be the positive? The students are cheering for Suvira. And the next one, helping verb will come before the subject. This is the form of interrogative sentence. So are the students cheering for Suvira? Question mark. Then present perfect. Suvira has won the race. Negative we have to complete. So Suvira has not won the race. In perfect we use third form of the main verb. Interrogative is given already. Then present perfect continuous. It means work is in progress. So here some students have not been preparing for the sports day. So some students have been preparing for the sports day. And here have some students been preparing for the sports day? Question mark. Now simple past. In simple past we use second form of the main verb. Sentence is given, at last did she join the new school yesterday. It means What will be the positive? She joined the new school yesterday. And negative, she did not join the school yesterday, because in simple negative we use did not and first form of the main verb, and for positive we use second form of the main verb. Then continuous. In perfect past continuous we use was, and with ing with the main verb. The girls were waiting for the race. The girls were waiting for the race to start. So the girls were not waiting for the race to start, and interrogative, were the girls waiting for the race to start. This will be the interrogative. Okay, you can see here. Next one is past perfect. So in past perfect we use had and third form of the main verb. She took part in the race after she had joined the school. So what will be the negative? She did not take part in the race after she had joined the school. And what will be the interrogative? Did she take part in the race after she had joined the school? Now past perfect continuous, same thing we will follow. In place of has have we will use here had. So she had not been hoping to win the race. It means she had been hoping to win the race, and interrogative, had she been hoping to win the race. This is all about that table. Okay, you can see. Move to the next page. Here some part else remaining of this table. Future simple. In future simple, with first form IV, with first person IAV we use shall, and with rest we use will, and first form of the main verb. She will take the trophy home. So she will not take the trophy home. Here wouldn't is written. Wouldn't is sounding the will not. Okay, and next is interrogative, will she take the trophy home. So here won't not, in place of won't you will write will not. I am going to write, wait a minute. In place of will, would not, will not will come, will not take. Okay, will not take the trophy home. Then future continuous, same thing, will, shall, have, been, and then verb mein ing. At 10 a.m. tomorrow, Suvira will practicing for the next event. So at 10 a.m. tomorrow, Suvira will not be practicing for the next event. An interrogative, will come before the subject. Will Suvira be practicing for the next event at 10 a.m. tomorrow? This was about the table. Now what we have to do here, in the next question, read the sentence. By the time I join the school, the session will have started. The sentence given above is in future perfect. The future perfect is used to show one action will happen before another action in the future. Understood? It means another action will happen first before another action. So by the time we reach, they will have finished eating dinner. Future perfect can also show that something will happen before a specific time in the future. By this time, next week, I will have completed this project. So here, fill in the blanks using future perfect form of the verbs given in brackets. By the end of June, he will have finished, because there is no need to change has or have. With will or shall we use have and third form of the main verb. By the end of June, he will have finished 12 books. You can see will have, and in finish ed I have added. And then the tourist will have returned to their country by the end of the week. Next, C. By the time we get to the station, the train will have arrived at the platform. Next is by the time she comes. Here I will have left. The third form of the leave is left. L-E-F-T, left. Next, when the athlete meets end, we will have run his 6 relays. Run is the ran. What is run? Run. So R-U-N, run. It will be the third form of this. Here ran is written, then you will change R-U-N, run. Then the artist, I am going to note it down here. What will come? R-U-A. RUN, run. Okay. Then the artist will have painted, PAINTED, painted the mural before the exhibition opens. Then the children will have not been reached home by the time their parents return from work. So here have not been reached, REACHED, reached will come. You can see here. G part. Now H, will the farmers have sow, SOW, sow the seeds by the time winter comes, because sow is the same, sow. Okay, this is done. Now move to the next question. Use the verbs given below to frame sentence in future perfect. One has been done for you. Example is given. You will have learnt all the verb tenses by the end of the year. Some else are here. If you want, you can change. Second is paint. So he will have painted the house by next week. Next is travel. So I will have traveled to Delhi before Christmas. Next one is play. I will have played my part by the time the theatre. Okay. By the time you came from theatre. Now next are here. My friend will completed his homework by evening. And the next one, my mother will have cooked dinner by the time praised. Okay. Next one is Ramesh will have climbed the stairs before you suggest taking the, what is written here? Ramesh will have climbed the stairs before you suggest taking the escalator. This is escalator. Okay. Now the next one is you will have gone by the time I return from school. So these are over. Now what the next exercise? Popular sayings. So read the sentence, but there was nothing to be done except hang in there and hope that this cloud too would have its silver linings. This phrase comes from the proverb. Every cloud has a silver lining. It means that every bad situation has a hopeful aspect to it. Popular phrases, proverbs and idioms are often used in literature to add color to writing and make it more interesting. Colors means to say not we are going to paint, it means to say interesting. Okay. You must have noticed that the story you have just read used several popular sayings. So what are? Choose the correct option. We have to choose a sight for sore eyes, a penny for your thoughts, curiosity killed the cat, stealing one's thunder, turning a blind eye to, beating around the bush. These are the proverbs part. Here what we have to do, a list of some popular sayings is given below. We have to match. A bet, A is back a favorite, support a competitor who is likely to win. Next one is give it one's best suit, and the answer is put in one's best effort. Warm the cockles of one's heart, then provide a lot of happiness. Run shoulder to shoulder. Support a competitor, move at the same speed as another. Hang on the tail. So here for this, follow someone close behind. Within arm's reach, it means very close. Full stream ahead, it means move as fast as possible. and next closing in, approaching very near. Okay, this is over. So thank you my dear students. Stay at home, stay safe, but keep in touch of your study and complete all the exercises properly. If you will have any issue, then you can use comment box. Okay, thank you.